Hello everyone, this is Dr. Namrata Agrawal, a critical care specialist at Borivali Healthcare. Today I will discuss about very common topic may or may not be known to all, that is dialysis. Many of you may know what is dialysis. So dialysis is a therapy which is done when the kidneys are not functioning. Dialysis can be temporary or it can be permanent. So in ICU generally we do dialysis or the filtration of the blood, and most of the times it is temporarily. So today I will discuss about this in detail. So I want to explain why some ICU patients need dialysis, because for families this can be a very frightening word. Dialysis simply means giving the kidney a temporary helping hand when they are too weak to function. The kidneys normally removes toxins, balances fluids, maintains salts and control blood pressure. But in serious infections, sepsis, heart failure, low blood pressure or certain medications, the kidney can suddenly slow down or even stop working. When this happens, toxins build up in the blood, swelling increases, potassium level rise dangerously, and patient may become drowsy or breathless. In these moments, dialysis is not a sign of failure, it is a life-saving support system. In ICU, we often use a gentle form of dialysis that is called SLED, low efficiency dialysis, or sometimes even CRRT, that is continuous renal replacement therapy. So in this form of dialysis, the machine cleans the blood slowly and steadily over many hours so that the vitals like blood pressure is maintained. This is kinder to weak hearts and unstable patients. Dialysis removes excess fluids, clears toxins, and restores balance so that the organs can recover. Many families fear that once dialysis starts, it will be lifelong, but that's not true. In ICU cases, dialysis is often temporarily used only until the kidney regains strength. I have seen many patients who needed dialysis for few days and then recovered completely, and they may have not required dialysis during their lifetime, and nor they had to have the kidney issues in the future life. It is just a temporary form of dialysis. The most important thing is early intervention, supporting the body while treating the infection or condition that have caused the kidney injury in the first place. Dialysis in ICU is not the end, it is a bridge to recovery. It is just like ventilator, how it is required temporarily. Dialysis requirement can also be temporary, and it is not every time permanent. If you find this explanation helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Feel free to ask me any other ICU related questions and queries you have, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.